Hi everybody, this is my first video on YouTube. Please forgive the baby face. I had to shave my beard the other day because of an interview and I'm trying to grow it back. So I'm working on a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. I've got a turn signal that does not cancel. I'll show you what it's doing. If I can figure out how to turn this camera around. So you can see there's all that many miles on there. A lot of miles. It was a fleet vehicle. And you see that I've currently got it running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my left turn signal here. Alright, that should be enough to cancel it. And you hear the click. So it should cancel, but it's not canceling. I have to manually do that. So, first thing you got to do, super easy, just reach out, pop that off. I'm actually going to shut the van off so I don't mess anything else up. We're going to unplug this here. And then there's a pull tab right here. Squeeze, lift. And that's what the turn signal switch looks like. I've got a brand new one over here. Forgive the mess. Get my Leatherman open. Not the easiest thing in the world one-handed. Aside, that aside, that aside. Sorry, I've got you all over the place. Let's compare the new to the old. Old is on top, new is on bottom. That's a push rod that activates that switch. Near as I can tell, that was the factory original. So, installation is the reverse of removal. Get that out of the way. Slide that in. Plug it in. Thump there. Try to seat it. Set you down real quick. So now I don't know about you, but I hate lining up these stupid tabs. So, wow. Interesting thing here is it doesn't seem to be clamping down as it should. check the channel for debris. There we go. So this is just a cheapo Chinese. So what I had to do here was this plastic tab, I had to manually pull it forward to get it to snap into place. So I'm gonna set you back down. Clamp this cover back on one more time. Let's give that a function test. All right, left. See, it's blinking, and it's not. Right. Blinking and not. So that's the front wipers. Rear wiper works. Turn the headlights on. Voila. So this whole job probably took me about 10 minutes, mainly because I was struggling with recording on my phone, having to pause it and flip the camera around and bring the video back up so you guys can see it. I hope you like this content. There's probably going to be more of this as long as I can remember to bring my camera out. Hopefully in time I can get big enough to get a better camera than whatever my cell phone happens to be. And there's probably going to be things more along the lines of hunting, fishing, outdoor sports, things like that. Just basically whatever the hell I feel like talking about. And if that's something that interests you, then I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Get me in people's feeds. You control the algorithm. Have a great day. God bless.